Alright, this is the last break. LAA1979. Ordered this about $150. So, gonna do a Redline box number 06. I hate that noise. I do that for metal on metal. Hurts my teeth. Alright, 1 pack, 2 pack. Shakur. Here we go. We have Danica, number to 50. Dale, Mark, Richard, David, Flip, Kevin Harvick, Dale Earnhardt Jr., Kenseth, autograph of Steve Addington, number 25 of 25. And Danica. We have a Fire Suit Sheet Metal, 31 of 50. Full throttle. Into the wall. Where's the phone? Oh, cool, it's off. Oh, Danica again, 13 of 15. Eric Almendola, Patrick again, Kyle Busch, Austin Dillon, Joey Logano, Kyle Busch, Jimmy. That's a nice looking card. Numbered 1 of 10. Kyle Busch, sheet metal, red ink. Part of the M&M on there. And Joey Logano, 7 of 25, sheet metal. Alright, buddy, I appreciate it. I'll get it on the way. See you. Everyone have a good weekend.